Hello, and a very warm welcome to Dodger's Trips. I'm Dodger, and today we've arrived at this millionaire's mansion, this villa in South Goa. We're very excited to be spending 4 nights here. This is a community area from the reception up at the top, pathway down. This is like, normally there's a waterfall running here. There's a selfie point up there with two sofas and a table for sitting out, and the waterfall continues right down. There's 2 villas, one that side. This is ours on this side, and I think there's 2 more lower down with the restaurant as well. But we're here smack bang in the jungle of South Goa. So I'm very excited, very, very excited to show you inside. So please join me inside our villa. As in a lot of properties in India, they build the properties around the trees. You know, we've got a palm tree that grows through the roof, and that's been left to grow and made part of the decor. Look at this, these are fabulous thick doors, and we've even got the old, in the Wild West, where they lock the fort gates or the castle gates in medieval times. It's now 20 past 2. We arrived about 2 p.m. for check-in. This is our wonderful sunning area, I guess. Infinity pool. It's only 4'6" deep, so Sandy's quite confident now she's not going to drown. Beautiful, beautiful infinity pool. So we're looking forward to getting in there in a few minutes, looking out the vastness of the jungle. The property edged with all this wonderful planting. We've got potted plants here, there's plenty of greenery, even greenery next to the sink. So there's a wash basin here. Even got a dental kit in case you wanted to brush your teeth while you were downstairs. We've got a shower. The protocol in India for shower use is that you take a shower before you get in the pool, and then have a shower when you get out as well. But there's the hair, body and conditioning lotions, pegs for the towels or your robes. And here, what looks like saloon door is actually a downstairs WC. So if you're lounging on the sunbeds, in and out of the pool, and you just want to use the toilet, there's one right there without having to go upstairs. Now this is like a little lounge area, drinks cabinet. As you'd expect, it is a mini bar, so any beers or bottles of fizzy drink are chargeable. The bottled water is free, and they have bottled water here. They have a water dispensing machine which serves up boiling water, chilled water, or just normal cold water, purified. And they've got a kettle, and there's coffee and what have you. If you run out of coffee, you just ring reception and they'll bring you some more, replenish. But cups, saucers. Inside the cabinets there's some snacks, crisps type things which are chargeable along with the minibar. We've got a TV here, there's a TV remote. This must be the key for the door, the padlock on the door, bottle opener. We brought all our fizzy drinks because we don't intend to leave this place for 4 days. We got a lovely welcome drink which is something to do with like coconut and something else, but it's fizzy and it's really nice. You notice the Indian artwork on the walls. No expense spared, you might say. They're like a double wardrobe here, and look at the carving, the woodwork that's gone into those doors. The doors are so thick. And let's go upstairs and I'll look at the first floor. Just look back. There's our pool and sun lounging area. Very warm, very, very warm today again. While we've been in Goa, it's been sort of 27's probably been the minimum temperature, up to about 32. 27 to 32 has been the average. You've got a room freshener here. Plenty of cupboard space here, which I hadn't noticed on the first look through. But look at the thickness of the doors. This is like your own medieval castle. Look at these. and they're so heavy. Absolutely stunning. And this is the bedroom. Sandra's already been round before with her phone capturing something of the villa. But look again, the Indian artwork, the wooden artwork on the wall. This is our very large bed. Got a little sofa at the foot of the bed for looking out at the view. We've got a sofa on that side of the room. Double wardrobe behind me. Again, look at the work that's gone into these cabinets. The dressing table, the little 4-drawer. And there we are. Let's go into the, what's it called when you have an adjoining WC? Ensuite. Let's go to the ensuite bit. And this is the bathroom. Look at this, look at these. All this carving, all this woodwork is amazing. Got a hairdryer, dental kit again, all the soap, and look at the towels with these are real flowers that have been placed on here. Large double shower with robes. That'll be nice. Although it's been that hot, we'll probably use the robes. A WC, beautiful with the greenery again, real life plants here.
Sink.
And the sink, yeah. A golden sink. You seen that?
It's beautiful.
It is. It's just, these are the sort of things you just want to touch them, just feel the beauty, the craftsmanship, and even the tiles on the walls, the craftsmanship that's gone into these fittings. So we're back into the living room, the bedroom, should I say. Let's have a look here, out here, adjoining the. Oh, the door's already open. I've been fooled. This was open. We've got a jacuzzi. And this, as long as the lights are on inside, nobody can see you from out there, although you're not really overlooked. I think the only bit of overlooking is maybe from their jacuzzi, which you can see the blacked out windows. You can't see anything. And again, the villa down there. So this must be the restaurant that's in front of us. There's our pool down there, the infinity pool. So there's a jacuzzi and 2 deck chairs here. Again, not just ordinary deck chairs. There's some money in this, I can tell you. And got headrests so you can just lays back. And all you're seeing are the birds flying by, birds maybe landing in the trees. Will we see any monkeys like we saw at Abba's Gloryland, the previous hotel? We saw monkeys in the trees eating the leaves. Got a crow there in this tree right in front of us, but they can't see us, so the birds will come really close. But it's just all the jungle of South Goa here. This is absolutely a dream come true. This is probably a once in a lifetime stay, who knows. When I tell you the price, you're going to be blown away. This is one of those places where it's so much better than even the stunning photographs depicted. We've got a skylight. Look at the chandelier. I didn't even notice that at first walk round. Oh, amazing. Chandelier and the skylights there. Let's step out onto this. Oh, no, there isn't a window open. Let's step out again onto a terrace. And is that same tree that's growing through? It wasn't a palm tree after all. Look at that. Literally in the trees here. And this place, this villa complex of only 4 villas has only been open 6 months. So this is the very first year of people staying here. Wonderful. You can see, you hear the odd car going past. There must be a road down in the valley there. But no other properties. You can see no other houses, no villages, nothing. There is a road on that far hillside there. You can see a motorbike scooter going past. That's what we must hear. But that's got to be a good, I don't know, 800 metres more, 1,000 metres away. So we can sit out here and relax. Look at the woodwork. Look at this, it's terrible. The thickness of the wood, and then the carving that's gone into the edges, and the chairs themselves. How do we get in? Right, this is it. Like I say, I've had a walk around. We got introduced around by the lady. And so this is only my second sort of proper, well, this is like a proper look around for me as well, just taking my time. There's a mirror there. I think this may come into a folding bed. It's got like what in a caravan where two bolts that'll drop down. This is the legs. There's probably a day bed, or it's probably a day bed, yeah, for relaxing, or maybe if two children are staying, so they can sleep next to the mother's and father's bedroom. The size of this room. Air conditioner, as I say. And the meals, breakfast is included, which is wonderful. And there is a restaurant on site, which I say that we've got a menu and everything. And you have the option of either eating in your villa or going down to the restaurant to eat. So no doubt, first breakfast we'll have it delivered and we'll eat in the room. Wow. Well, I hope you're enjoying the look around. Look at the bedding. The cushions there and the throw. Wonderful colours. Let's go back downstairs. So, would you like to hazard a guess at how much this property is costing us? We are only staying 4 nights, mind you, so that might be a bit of a clue. But if I tell you, before we came and after I'd booked this place, I looked at travel lodges in Blackpool on a Saturday night. We're staying here Friday night, Saturday night, Sunday night and Monday night. I looked at the cost of a travel lodge. Remember, no breakfast included in the travel lodge room rate. And for a Saturday night in Blackpool, it was something like £168. Now this entire villa, with breakfast included, jacuzzi, infinity pools, sun lounges, everything else that I've shown you, the huge bedroom, the huge bathroom, is only costing us £174 a day. Now, what value? I mean, this is millionaire living. We're going to feel for 4 days, we're going to feel what it's like to be a millionaire. So I'm sure there'll be more videos, as we don't plan on leaving here for 4 days. As I say, we brought plenty of fizzy pop, plenty of munch, so we don't have to leave. And to be fair, there's not a lot on the outside, just the occasional shop on the way here, but no villages or anything of note. So, join me on some more videos from the villa, hopefully. If not, I hope you've enjoyed this look around. Simroseate Villas in Kola, South Goa. Thank you for joining me, and I hope, as I say, I hope you enjoyed the little look around. Okay, till the next video, Dodger and out.